The SKS can be partially disassembled to conduct cleaning, lubricating, and inspection of the carbine. This can be accomplished with only the drift contained in the combination tool. Conduct disassembly and assembly on a table or clean undermat. Place components and mechanisms on the mat in sequence of disassembly, handling them carefully. Do not use excessive efforts or sharp blows during disassembly or assembly. Before disassembly, check to ensure the carbine is unloaded. Pull out the combination tool with accessories. Hold the carbine in the left hand and push with the finger of the right hand on the cover of the buttstock well, allowing the combination tool to come out under spring pressure. Open the combination tool and remove the drift. Remove the receiver cover. Holding the carbine in the left hand behind the small of the stock, pressing with the thumb of the left hand on the cover, moving it slightly forward. Rotate the receiver cover pin upward with the fingers of the right hand. Pull the pin to the right as far as it will go. Remove the cover from the receiver. Remove the recoil mechanism. Grasp it in the right hand and pull it from the channel in the bolt carrier. Remove the bolt assembly. Holding the carbine with the left hand at the fore end, with the right hand, draw the bolt assembly back by the handle. Rotate the carbine with the right side down and remove the bolt carrier along with the bolt housing. Separate the bolt housing from the bolt carrier, holding the bolt carrier. Remove the gas tube with handguard. Holding the carbine in the left hand at the fore end, with the right hand and the aid of the drift, rotate the gas tube lock upward about 45 degrees, so that the flat aspect of the pin is vertical. Raise the rear portion of the handguard upward and remove it from the gas chamber socket. Then tilt the gas tube downward and the gas piston will slide out. In early models of the carbine, the gas tube lock can be rotated without the aid of the drift. The carbine can now be cleaned, lubricated, and inspected. Install the gas tube with handguard. Place the gas piston in the gas tube. Hold the carbine in the left hand behind the fore end, and with the right hand insert the front end of the gas tube into the gas chamber socket. Press the rear portion of the handguard toward the barrel. Rotate the gas tube lock downward to stop. Join the bolt housing to the bolt carrier. Install the bolt in the receiver. Open the magazine. Holding the carbine in the left hand behind the fore end of the stock, rotate it with the right side down. With the right hand, install the bolt assembly and move it forward. Rotate the carbine with the bolt assembly upward and close the magazine cover. Install the recoil mechanism in the channel of the bolt carrier, collar end first. Install the receiver cover. Rotate the receiver cover pin upward and withdraw it to the right. Place the receiver cover on the receiver and slide it forward, holding the cover with the thumb of the left hand. Secure it with the pin and rotate the pin downward. Replace the combination tool in the buttstock chamber. Place the drift back into the combination tool and close its cover. Place the combination tool in the buttstock well with the cover end toward the butt plate. Release the hammer. Take the safety off by rotating the lever downward. Squeeze the trigger. Place the safety on by rotating the lever upward. This completes assembly of the carbine. The next film in the series will cover loading and unloading. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, Go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Then let us know what you thought or would like to see with a comment. If you would like to support the channel, you can become a member on Patreon or YouTube or a subscriber on Player. Links to these are in the description below. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.